What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today we got another hard reset. Today we're doing a BLU Bold K30. Really cool newer phone from BLU. BLU makes some pretty cool designs, but if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password or a pin that you forgot and you got to do a hard reset on it, this is how you do it. We'll get right into it in a second. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important, it's going to get deleted. Keep that in mind. And lastly, like I said, guys, we're posting a ton more phones. So if there's anything specific you want to see, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. And if you haven't yet, we'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. Otherwise, let's get right into it. First thing we gotta do is turn the phone off. So this one's got a pattern, we don't know what it is. And so we'll hold, to turn the phone off, we have to hold the volume up and power button at the same time real quick. And try not to bring up the very annoying Google Assistant sometimes that goes off. But phone's off, and what we want to do is hold volume up, which is up here. You have volume up, down, and power. We'll hold volume up and power, and once the phone turns on, you can let go of the power by keep holding that volume up. With BLUs, it can sometimes take long, sometimes it can be really short. It just really depends. So just keep holding. Once we're here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Hit the power button, and then we want to scroll down again and confirm, hit the power button. It's done resetting. We can either reboot or power off. In this case, we'll reboot, so we'll hit the power button. And the phone will load to the welcome screen, and we can navigate the phone back to the home screen, and it'll be fresh with everything removed from it. So that is how you do a hard reset on a BLU Bold K30. If you guys have any questions or comments, or anything at all, just feel free to let us know. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.